Candy here with Crazy Eights Life, and I have an unboxing this morning for you. It is a Wantable. I feel like I just did a Wantable, but when I was checking out, they had a style edit that was specifically for, I can't remember what it was called, sunny days or something like that. So for spring, for summer, for vacation, that type of thing. And obviously we are all in the mood for that right now because spring is here. And I do need a few things to wear for this spring and summer season. And then I really need to just cut back. But right now we do have a Wantable and it was already supposed to be sent back. So I am going to just kind of have to hurry and do this and get this in the mail. Let's get on with this video. So here is this bundle. Lots of summery spring colors in there. On this side you can only see one thing, it looks like, but anyways. Okay, so here it is. It says the Sunny Escape Edit. So I did go ahead and get that, and we'll see if there's any items that I need. I honestly was thinking I don't really need, you know, like Stitch Fix and Wantable, they usually send you some nicer, like dressier clothes. And honestly, right now, I feel like what I need is just some t-shirts and some tank tops to throw on to work out in the garden or outside in the yard, that kind of thing. So we'll see. I'm not going to get things if I don't need them right now. I'll send you 7 items, and this will be a list of the items. It'll have the prices here for you that I'll go over with you in the video. And then of course the return label that you can stick on your return bag and send anything back that you do not want. The styling fee, I believe, for Wantable is $21 a month, and you get that $21 back on any purchase that you would keep. And if you keep more than five or more items, you do get a discount. I can never remember what the discount is. I think it's 20 or 25%. I don't see it on here, so I will try to confirm that. It says you have 5 days to check out, and I have not had this for 5 days, so I don't know. My mail has been so slow lately, or I just didn't see it, but they're saying that my time is up, and I don't think I've had it for 5 days, although it was Easter this past weekend, so I was not really paying attention to anything other than that. So maybe it's just kind of flown by. I'm sorry, my allergies are acting up, so I feel like I'm real nasally and sniffy today, so I apologize for that. I will go ahead and read this note from the stylist, and it says, "Hi Candace, so excited for you. You are going to love this limited time Sunny Escape edit. It is one of the most fun themed edits we've done so far. This collection is packed with cute styles that feel great whether you are enjoying a vacay or a staycay. Plus, I wanted to make sure I styled you with pieces you can wear now and all through the summer. Happy to have styled you again. I added some fun pieces from your stream. I was also able to watch your unboxing. Thank you for including that link. Hope you love all of the pieces I sent. Can't wait to know what you think. Enjoy. Mesa, your stylist." Okay, so it looks like the total for the styling fee is $21.40. All right, guys, so let's go ahead and show you what is in this box. Okay, so I just realized, so this is for if you want to return at UPS in the box, or you can return it through your post office in this bag. So 2 ways, you have 2 options of how you want to return your items. I had never really noticed that before. I always guess I just put it in the postal service bag. So it's pretty simple. All right, so this is going to be the Matilda smocked dress in water floral. It is a size medium, and it is $68. and it is super bright. So this feels actually a little bit big, but we'll see. It's got this kind of quilted at the top, and then just floral. It's kind of a longer dress. So pretty spring colors. And the next item is an asymmetrical ruched knit tank in denim, and it is $44. And it, to me, does not look like a denim color. This looks purple. So, but it's super soft. This is definitely something that I could really use. It's a little more casual. I feel like I could get a lot of use out of that this summer and spring. So we'll have to see. Hopefully I like it on. And then the next item we're going to pull out here is the floral woven surplus top in yellow floral, and it is $48. It's by West Key. All right, this is a long sleeve top, and I'm not sure that I really need that right now, but it's a bright yellow color with some kind of mauve and gray and white flowers. It's very blousy. It looks like it could possibly be see-through, so we'll see. It's a fun, colorful top, which I do like to add in here and there. It just brings a little cheer to your wardrobe. Let's see what I have next is a tank. So it must be this pocket racer tank in camo. Heather Gray, it is camo. I didn't even see the camo on there. By Z Supply, it is $34. Very simple. Again, I definitely can just use tanks to wear around. Very simple tank V-neck with some light gray camo. Another nice casual top, which is what I am kind of needing right now, so that's good. I was worried I was just gonna get all kind of dressy stuff and not really have a use for it. Okay, then I got a t-shirt here that says "Not My First Rodeo," loose tee in Heather Gray. It is $38 by Suburban Riot. So just a simple t-shirt. This one isn't nearly, it's good quality, but it's not nearly as soft as some of the other ones I've received. We'll see. I'm not sure. I a lot of times am really picky about my neck being too tight. So that's one thing I will look for. And I don't always like a big print on my chest. I don't know why. So we'll see. All right, then we have some shorts, some Gidget shorts in stimulating wash, cut from the cloth. I like cut from the cloth. They are $69. So here's just some denim shorts. We have a yummy tie-dye drawstring hoodie in rainbow, and it is $59. And it says W by Wantable. So this is their own brand hoodie. This is kind of that brushed material, which I always love when I get out of a box. I love it. It's so soft and comfortable. My only problem is this brushed material sometimes pills up in the wash, and I probably need to be more careful about how I'm washing it. It's probably my fault, but it's always super soft and comfy. I'm not sure. I definitely am just curious whether I'll like this tie-dye on me or not. So that's it for these items today, and I'm going to go try these on for you real quick. And then just also remember that if you buy 5 or more, you do get a discount. It says that my discount will be $72 if I keep 5 or more. There will be a link in the description for a discount on your first box if you would like to try Wantable out. And if you like watching these unboxings, then please hit the subscribe button. It really, really helps us out and I appreciate it. So I'm gonna go ahead and try these on for you. So I'm back with the first outfit. I have these Gidget shorts on from Cut from the Cloth, and It says in stimulating wash. These are $69 shorts, which is a lot, I think, but I have several pairs of shorts in my drawers that do not fit at all, that were probably close, you know, they weren't cheap shorts, and they just sit there. They don't fit me right. I don't like them. I don't know why I keep them. It's because I don't have that many pairs of shorts, and so I just think, well, I have to have some shorts, even though they're doing nothing in my drawer. So if I can get a couple of pairs that will last me, then I think it's worth it. All right, and then the next thing I have on with that is this graphic tee t-shirt. And it is the Not My First Rodeo loose tee in heather gray. And it's just a tee. It's a t-shirt. So I did need casual clothes. I do not really need any kind of dressier clothes. I don't wear them that often. I'm usually pretty casual. So I could use a casual top. I'm not sure that I can't just pick up some cheap tanks or t-shirts at TJ Maxx or Target or something. I will try on the next item. All right, guys, here is the Z Supply camo tank. It is in heather gray. The camo is very, I don't even know if you can see it or tell. It's a very light camo. It's a little bit on the loose side, but I think it's fine for a casual tank top to wear throughout the summer. So you guys let me know what you think in the comments. And I will be right back with the next item. Okay, guys, so I am back now with the asymmetrical ruched knit tank in denim, which to me looks very purple. And also the last top I thought was a little bit big, and this one I feel like maybe a little bit snug. I'm not sure how I feel about it. I feel like I can see every kind of lump and bump that there is, but I do like the color of it, and I like the neckline. It's just, I just feel like even though it has this ruching, I still feel like I can just see kind of everything. So let me know and I'll be right back. All right, guys, so the next top that I have on is the floral woven surplus top in yellow from West Key. It is a $48 top. It is a very blousy top, and I thought maybe it would be see-through. It's not see-through at all. I like how in this style edit there's kind of something almost for every occasion. So the other things were pretty much everything else that I had tried on so far has been pretty casual, and then this one would be a nice like kind of date night shirt. So that's kind of nice. And then I have a dress, and then of course the hoodie you can throw on when it's chilly. It kind of has a nice mix of everything. So anyways, let me know what you think about this top, and I will go try on the hoodie next. All right, I am back with this tie-dye hoodie, which I'm not 100% sure about. It says yummy tie-dye drawstring hoodie in rainbow stripes, and it is $59, and it is by Wantable. It's super comfortable, and I think that if it was just like kind of a solid color, I would maybe keep it to throw on over the tank tops when it gets chilly, especially because we like to camp a lot. But I don't know. I mean, it's a really kind of oversized hoodie, which I do like. I mean, it's nice and handy to have one of those. There's the hoodie. And I will be back with the last item. Okay, guys, so I'm back with the last item, which is the dress. It is the Matilda smocked dress in water floral, and it is $68. And I have no idea. There's not a picture of it on somebody, so I have no idea if these sleeves are supposed to be, they're really big. Down, I don't like to wear off the shoulder tops too much. So I have it up like this. It's probably the wrong way to wear it. But it is what it is. So anyways, it has this kind of ruching up here. And then I am not really sure that I like this dress. So you guys are going to have to let me know what you think. I will stand up in a second so that you can see hopefully the whole dress. But anyways, here is the pattern so you can see that. And then I'll turn around. And it still doesn't show you the whole thing. It's pretty long. It is all the way down to my ankles. So it is a long dress. And then that's it. I don't know if I said the price on this. I feel like I say the price is 1,000 times in my videos, but this dress is $68. So that is it for this Wantable fix, or they call it an edit. I'm sorry, Stitch Fix and Wantable edits. So just let me know what you guys think. And the total price for all of these items would be $286.76. So let's see, I've got 5 tops, a pair of shirts, and this dress, which, you know, if you need a dress like for a wedding or an event or something, you know, I'm sure you pay quite a bit for a dress. I don't really have anything coming up. And I mean, it's comfortable. It's really super comfortable. I just don't see myself getting like a yacht. I cannot talk today. A lot of use out of this dress. But so the price, I mean, really is what I'm saying is that for everything, especially including a dress, if you were to need something like that, isn't an awful price. I definitely am not keeping everything. So I would like any opinions on the things that you guys liked out of this box. And I think that that's all I have for today. So I'm going to hop off here and I will see you all next time. Enjoy your day. Bye.